Vincent Oyibode, Ugeli North, Jaro Ego, Ugeli South, Lucky Aweromre, Ukwani, Possible Ajide, Ubie, Anthony Okoni, Warri North, Festus Ashiba, Warri South, Waimi Agbateiro, and Warri Southwest, Sylvester Oromoni.
Of office. As the third tier of government, closer to the people, you need to improve the environmental sanitation in your communities. Our urban centers are riddled with filth as a result of improper waste disposal and poor sanitation habits of our people. I would like to see you step up in these regards by devising proper waste disposal measures while embarking on an aggressive public enlightenment campaign to educate our people on good sanitation habits. It goes without saying that you need money to run a successful administration. Please take note that statutory application for the last 3 months are intact. I therefore expect you to hit the ground running by embarking on visible infrastructure projects that can be commissioned. Don't think that because the money is there, you just go there and do the usual way. It's not really possible. So you must make sure this money are put in use. Let your administration be characterized by modesty, physical discipline, prudent management, judicious allocation of resources, and excellent project delivery. As Speaker of the House of Assembly, we advocated for financial autonomy for the legislature and judiciary. The House also voted yes to local government autonomy during the 5th alteration of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Therefore, the Supreme Court judgment on financial autonomy for local government council is a welcome development. Actually, Delta State has never tempered local government funds. Rather, the state government has often had to augment the allocation to the local government councils to enable them meet their financial obligation.
Thank you. Vice Chairman, congratulations. That's a good one.
Now that they've been sworn in?
Well, I think first of all, let me say that what had just happened is a welcome development. For the first time, you know, if you look at all the local government council chairmen that have been elected and sworn in today, they are urban beings that have the capacity to carry the various local governments and ensure that the dividend of democracy is provided to the people. As for the issue of autonomy, I don't think it's fully by the provision of the Supreme Court judgment. If you dissect it, the only thing I think they achieved was the issue of caretaker committee. Every other thing is still the same thing that it is. And I thought that Supreme Court ought to have allowed the National Assembly to amend the provision in the Constitution and thereby encompassly make elaborate adjustment as to what is in existence now. So I still think that National Assembly and 36 State House of Assembly, the onus is on them to do the needful and ensure that there's total autonomy of the local governments.
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Government and being the three level of government. Personally, I'm resident in my local government and will not be deterred in carrying out the charge His Excellency have charged us. And my dream is to ensure total security. We know in an atmosphere of peace, there is development. I will ensure there is security in my local government. My local government is one of the local governments that is urbanized, is within the Warri metropolis. We do local government. So we will do our best to ensure that peace reign and massive development also come to play as oil and gas producing local government. So we'll do our best. Thank you.